Hi, my name is Vilas Sinkar. I am one of the faculty for the course being offered by Nutrify Today Academy. A little bit about myself to start with. I hold PhD in the area of bioscience from University of Rochester. After my PhD, I did further research work in the area of plant biotechnology at University of Washington, USA. Subsequent to my training as microbiologist in University of Bombay, now Mumbai, I was fortunate enough to get the opportunity to work in diverse disciplines of science such as molecular biology, fermentation technology, plant biochemistry, tissue culture, food science and technology, food processing, toxicology, to name a few. I got this opportunity largely because of the job rotations I got at Unilever Research. After my return to India, I joined Unilever Research and retired as vice president and head of R&D at Unilever R&D Bangalore. Unilever R&D Bangalore is one of the 6 key global sites for research in Unilever worldwide. Post my retirement, I have been actively engaged with various research institutes and science and technology organizations in the country in advisory capacity. I also work in advisory capacity with some non-profit incubation centers in the country and mentor entrepreneurs and startups. I am really excited to be a part of this course being offered by Nutrify Today Academy, and I believe this course and the many in pipeline would go a big way in creating the right kind of capacities in Indian food industry. This course has come at an opportune time given the fact that food industry in India, particularly nutrition as a discipline, are evolving very fast in the country. I do hope that you enjoy this course and looking forward to interacting with you all soon. Thank you very much.